Hello everyone, welcome to Manthan 2026 organized by Poddar Group of Institutions. One of the important feature that we even have alumni. So I'm really delighted to share some experiences and have a talk with our alumna, Mr. Varun Shah. Welcome Varun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to know that how has been your journey with Poddar?
Okay, so first of all, it's good to be back to my college. I enjoyed a lot and missed it. And I asked teachers, can I join again because of the development and the research laboratories which have been implemented here. And it's good to be back.
Okay, great. So since you are a working professional, you handle your own projects and you are working with one of the eminent businessmen, Mr. Dhananjay. So I would like to know that what skill set do you think that students of interior designing need today in order to become successful?
Okay, so the very most important skill which I think is the client handling part.
Okay.
Because I think designers coming here can design anything, but where we lack is the communication part. How you handle client, how you listen to him, and how you explain your ideas. Because that is the main game where most of the people lack. But here we had our soft skill classes, teachers, so it was very helpful. So 2-3 things which I think need to be developed is first is communication skills, soft skills to handle client. Second, I will say the knowledge about their subject. We need to have that also with the advancement of technologies, how they can implement in their businesses, in their designs. And third, I will say material exploration, because with the advancement of technologies, we are having n number of materials, n number of possibilities which can be done. With that, I will say these are the 3 things which I feel, which I think need to be polished. That's all.
Okay, so communication and technology knowledge, these are the 2 core points I think which the students actually need today. So thank you Varun, thank you for sparing time. Thank you very much.